Hey, what's up, geeks? This is Darron. I'm your instructor from GeekMODE, the School of React Native. And in this video, we're going to tackle the merge sorted array algorithm. Given two sorted integer arrays, numbers 1 and 2, merge numbers 2 into numbers 1 as one sorted array. Nothing that should be a stranger to any of us. This is pretty much simple things we learn in school. So, note, the number of elements initialized in nums1 and nums2 are m and n respectively. You may assume that nums1 has enough space size that is greater or equal to m to hold the additional elements of numbers array 2. So as you can see, we have one numbers array and a second numbers array, and then we have 3 zeros. So we're not going to count those 3 zeros. They're not going to go into our we actually merge it. As you can see with the output, it adds the numbers from numbers array 2 into numbers array 1. It just leaves out the zeros. So basically we have to do the same thing. So I want you guys to copy the code you have here and then paste it into your IDE or text editor. All right. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to straight off the bat, we're going to start merging our arrays. Sorry about that. So we're going to use a while loop. Now while m is less than 0 and n is less than 0, and this should be pretty easy because we saw that the length of the array that we're replacing is that we're adding is 3, and the numbers that we're kicking out is 3. So this should be pretty simple. So if numbers 1 array, we're going to grab the index that matches m plus n minus 1. So what is that? 3 plus 3 minus 1. We're going to hit the 5th index in our array. So if you check that out, the 5th index is our last index of array 1. All right. So if this is greater than, if the fifth index of this array is greater than nums2, n minus 1, which is referencing right here, number 6, then we're going to take nums1. This right here is going to equal nums2 in its index. All right. Hey, what's up, guys? Darron Brown here. I just wanted to remind you, at the end of this video, make sure you check out the website www.geekmode.tech. There you can learn more about React Native, Firebase, and Redux. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you check out our free course as well. I'm sure you enjoy it. Now, that's enough of me, and I'll let you guys get back to the video. Else, minus 1. Else, we're going to take this right here. I want you guys to paste everything here. And then we're going to reference numbers array 2. So if this number right here is greater than the number we have here, we're going to go ahead and make this equal to nums1, numbers in minus 1 index. But as we can see, that isn't the case. So this is what's going to happen. We're going to grab the 5th index here, which is this, represented that has 0 currently in its place, and we're going to update its value to 6, which we have right here. All right. Now after we've done that, we're going to subtract from m, and then in our else, we're going to subtract from n. All right. Now, just in case our array was a lot longer, there were more values that need to be processed, we're going to handle those values right here. Values of last array. If numbers 2 was bigger than numbers 1, there was some imbalances, say that there was different numbers other than 0 that are fed here. So we're going to use another while loop. And the condition is going to be n greater than 0. So while n is greater than 0, we're going to reference our nums array, n index minus 1. And we're going to set that equal to nums to n minus 1. And we're going to subtract from n to lower our value till it's lower than 0. Alright? So right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and just console log nums array, number 1. Alright? We don't need 2 because 2 is getting merged into 1. So nums 1. I'll console log nums 1 after my while loop as well. Most likely this one won't change because the length of this is 3 and we're replacing 3 letters. So most likely it won't hit this, but we're going to console log it anyways. And as you can see, our array is coming back, but there seems to be something off. So let's take another look. Okay guys, we have 2 errors. What we're going to go ahead and do, we're going to remove that addition to n out of our first if condition. And then also right here, instead of referencing n, we're going to reference m. Okay, so that was my mistake in that one. And I'm going to go ahead and console log that again. And as you can see, now our array is coming in sorted. But just as I said, we don't have to use this condition because the numbers that we're replacing, length is 3, and then also n is 3. M and n are equal. So there's no reason for us to actually hit this condition. But it's still something we have to check for. So I'm going to go ahead and just remove our console logs. I'm going to copy this code and return to LeetCode's website, paste that in. Now test our code. Awesome, and now we're passing. If there's any algorithm that you guys want me to touch base on, send it my way. And yeah, I'd love to get you guys featured. And if any of you guys are interested in mobile development, just check out GeekMODE.tech, GeekMODE.tech, and then you guys can find courses and anything else that you want to find, read articles, whatever. But I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.